Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, click on the gray sweater next to Auto Brightness feature to activate it. And as you can see after that, my sweater is blue. That means that Auto Brightness is on, but you can always switch it off by hitting the same sweater again. If you wish to, you can also go into Tab menu and tap on this icon next to brightness slider with a sun to switch on or off adaptive brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!